Is managing your Chase bank account feeling more complicated than it should? Don't worry, because in this video, we're going to break down how to easily log into your Chase online banking, reclaim forgotten credentials, understand security measures, and navigate the platform so you can manage your money from anywhere with confidence. First, head over to Chase.com. You will find the login section on the upper left side of the screen. It consists of a username field and a password field. Accidentally locked out? No problem. Select the Forgot Username, Password link if you can't remember your login credentials. On the password reset form, your Chase account can be verified by a social security number, tax ID, or account number. Also, you will need to verify your identity by entering your last name and following on-screen instructions for verification. Chase uses advanced security measures to keep your account safe. You might encounter a one-time passcode sent to your phone or email. Always keep this verification method as an added level of security. Once logged in, take a tour of your dashboard here. You can view your account balances, review transactions, pay bills, transfer funds, and explore other convenient online banking features. That's it. You're now equipped to securely and effectively manage your Chase bank account online. Get ready to spend less time banking and more time focusing on the things that matter most.